Okay, folks, we're on Route 7, Vermont. The new highway, it's called. We're on our way up to Bennington from Manchester. Doing a little fall foliage here. Pretty much getting our past. Pretty much all the leaves are going to be gone shortly, so this will probably be the last view you'll have, so hope you enjoy. Come down from the mountain and it's already, all the leaves are off, so still have down here on the flatland that it's, yeah, we got Sarah here. She's enjoying the fall foliage ride. Alright, Sarah, let's see how Sarah's doing back there. How we doing? Okay, good. Okay. Yep, showing everybody the fall foliage leaves. Yep, nice drive. Picking up Sarah for our wheeling adventure today. Yep, going up to Sucker Pond. I don't know how many guys are going. Quite a catastrophe last week, so not many guys are going, so it'll probably be me and Sarah, but we'll see when we get there. Yep, we got the sun coming up, what, 9:39 in the morning, Sunday morning. Just cruising right along. On the traffic now. Beautiful trees. And all of a sudden be no more leaves and here comes the snow. Just doing our snow wheeling, folks. In the traffic now, but it's a nice highway. Yep, people come here from everywhere, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, pretty much everywhere. Come up here to see the leaves, Florida. Come up here in the tour buses. So I'm giving you a shot of it right now because this is the trip that they take you on. Yep. Them nice pine trees up in there. They don't never change. They stay green year round. Looks like we're gonna have to pass a couple people here. We're coming up, so. Okay, back over. There. Now we can do our little cruise and sightseeing. Okay, we're gonna be coming up on the Arlington exit. Check out the sign coming up here. Arlington Shasberry. Couldn't see it, a little dark. Yeah, it's nice in here. See the mountains and everything up there. Yep, coming up on Sunderland. Arlington exit right there. Yep, beautiful country, folks. So that's all we do here is go four-wheeling. Yeah, Sarah loves it. Yeah, see that? Sarah heard four-wheeling. Yeah, all the mountains and cruising right along. Get another shot of the mountains up here. Yep. Sarah loves her drives and her four-wheeling. Yeah, get a little shot of the mountain, coming up the mountain now. Some more traffic passing by. Good shot of the mountain coming around the corner here. Yeah, pretty over there too. See up on the hill there. The sun's so bright, it's hard to see. Nice morning sun. 9:45 in the morning, and we're still cruising. Fall foliage. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Shadows, sun coming up. See the nice mountain up there. Love to go wheeling up in that mountain, folks. Have you ever heard of White Rock? That's where it is. Top of the mountain. Yep, see, we're getting up higher now. Leaves are starting to disappear. See? Much no leaves now. Alright, we gotta pass this truck right here. Yeah, we did it, huh, sir? Yeah, we're up top of the mountain, elevation 1,504 feet. Highest elevation on this highway. Okay. We're gonna close her up here, make it a 10-minute. See how the leaves have thinned out. Pretty much getting rid of the leaves now. A few here and there. And I guess we're gonna end the show here. Coming up on 10 minutes. Hope you all enjoyed the show. So got a few nice leaf shows here. But here you go in October in Vermont. Alright everyone. Thanks for watching. Alright. Did you enjoy it, Sarah? Let's see how Sarah's doing. Yeah, Sarah's having a good time. Yeah, okay. She said goodbye, everybody. All right. Thanks for watching.